Okay, we continue with the second part or second organ of the lymphoid system. It's a lymph node. Lymph nodes are distributed all our body, especially at the neck, axilla, along the main blood vessels and other places. Okay, the lymph node histologically composed of two surfaces, concave and convex surface. And also it's surrounded by a dense collagenous connective tissue capsule. Okay. At the convex surface, as we see at this slide, okay, these are the collagenous connective tissue capsule surrounding the organ, and these are the convex surface of the lymph node. It's considered the place of the efferent lymphatic vessels entrance at this surface, okay? And there is a space between the one layer or the first layer and the collagenous connective tissue capsule. It's called subcapsular sinuses. It's the place that the lymph is drainage to the other parts of the gland. Okay. Other side or other surface of this node, it's the concave surface. I can show you the concave surface. Okay, all these are the convex. And these are the concave surface. It's characterized the place of the hilum. The hilum is the place that is there is a thickness of the connective tissue capsule, and it's a place of the entrance of the artery and leaving of the efferent lymphatic vessels and the vein. Okay. So we can find here blood vessels, artery and vein, and the efferent lymphatic vessels leaving this node. Okay. Histologically also we can divide this node into three parts: cortex, paracortex, and middle. Cortex. These are the cortex. Okay. This side. Okay. Previously we talking these are connective tissue capsule, subcapsular sinuses, and these are the parenchyma including the cortex, paracortex, and at the center is a middle. The cortex is considered a house of the follicle or lymphoid follicles or lymphoid nodules. Okay? These structures are lymphoid follicles or lymphoid nodules. We have two types of lymphoid nodules, primary and secondary. At the primary, we can find two types of cells, B cells, B lymphocyte, and B memory lymphocyte. But at the secondary, we can find a B cells memory, also B memory cells, in addition to the plasma cells. But the differentiation between the primary and secondary, the secondary have a germinal center, okay, a germinal center. It's look like a paler than the primary, okay. It's called a germinative or germinal center inside the secondary lymphoid follicles. Okay. When we coming at the paracortex, it's considered a house at this side. It's considered a house of T cell. in addition to the another immune cells like macrophage, plasma cell, and reticulocyte. The last part is the medulla. Okay, like this. Okay, these are the medulla. Also, we can find sinuses and cords. Sinuses and cords. After the medulla, we can call it or name it a medullary. Okay, a medullary sinuses and medullary cords. These cords, it's about a cluster of immune cells like T cells, B cells, plasma cells, and macrophages. Okay.